Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video we are going over the Ubuntu package search tools. Now there are many different ways you can search for packages on Ubuntu. There's the terminal, there's the synaptic package manager, which we will be covering in this video, and there is even the Ubuntu Software Center and other methods like that. So we're going to cover the Ubuntu, for the Ubuntu package search we're going to be covering the synaptic package manager. Now synaptic is right here. I have it installed on my system. But if you do not have Synaptic, please check the link in the description for the article. Go to the Synaptic Package Manager section and just follow the installation. It'll take a couple of seconds, and then once you've got it installed, you can launch it like so and enter your password. Now to search for packages in the Synaptic Package Manager is pretty easy. As you can see, by default it shows you every package available, so if you just want to browse, you can just browse and find what you want. But if you want to search, and let's say we want to search for Firefox, we can click the search button up here and we can type in Firefox and click the search button. Now this is going to run a search for Firefox, and as we see, Firefox is right here. And we also have Firefox Dev. If you want to filter it even more, say maybe I'm just looking for Firefox Dev, I can do Firefox Dev, and that will filter it and just make sure that only these ones will show up. It won't be a long list, and it'll put the ones that we want filtered through. So if I want to install Firefox Dev, all I got to do is click Mark for Installation and click the Apply button. And that will install the program. So that's how you search for packages with Synaptic Package Manager. We'll go over it one more time, but it's very, very useful. It used to be the default way to install programs through the GUI on Ubuntu till they changed over to the Software Center. But it's very cool, and I think that whenever I use Debian and stuff, I always end up using this. But like if we want to get let's see, Chromium, actually it doesn't show up in the filter, so let's do Chromium up here and then do the filter. As we see the Chromium browsers right here, I can click Mark for Installation and click Apply. And just like that, it will install Chromium for me. And I can search through packages. I can also use, they have custom filters if you want to mess with those down here. It's a very, very useful tool. I definitely recommend checking out the Synaptic Package Manager for your Ubuntu package search needs. But again, if you do not like this way of doing it, you can also learn how to do it through other methods that we've covered in the description below. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to use the Ubuntu package search tools. I will see you in the next one.